I'm going to give you a little highlight of something from the marriage workshop that I thought you'd find interesting. When you marry someone, and before you really get to know them really, really well, you just love everything about them. But as you get to know them better, whether you're married or you're not, but as you get to know them really, really well, you see there's another part of them that you don't like, which is normal because we're not perfect. And that becomes a problem. So, but it also becomes a problem for them because they see another part of you that they don't like. So now what do you do? Because you just married another person. You married the person you like, and you marry another person, the other person. So what you met is, and what you fell in love with was this certain persona that she or he shows the public, and they fell in love with your public persona. We all have a public persona. But then when you live with someone or get to know someone intimately, you see the other persona. It's more of their character, their virtues and their lack of virtues, and their idiosyncrasies and their weirdness and their habits and things you didn't know about them. How do you deal with that? That's just reality. That happens to all of us. But you still did get the person you like, so you want to focus on the person you like, and the person you don't like, it's just, well, they come along with it. You have to get both, It's the wrapping in the package. Open the box, take out the packaging. Why do I have so much packaging? It's just the way they have to ship it. So that's the way we all come. And that's where a lot of couples have a problem, when they meet the other person. Oh, I thought I was getting this person, but I got this other person. Well, you got this person also. So celebrate you got the person you want and that person's still there. It's just you get another person along with it at no extra cost to you. And that's part of what it means to be married. And, we enter marriage thinking, it's going to be some romantic heaven. And it's a bit unrealistic because in the material world, nothing is that great when it comes down to it. But really, if we have a good relationship, then it's a very stabling situation. It's very helpful for our Krishna consciousness. So it's not like we're after the ultimate sense gratification in our relationship. If we are, we'll be frustrated for sure. And that's not what Krishna consciousness is all about. We're after pleasing Krishna. And if we can satisfy our needs and minimal amount of sense gratification just necessary so that we're peaceful, that's perfect. And then together, we're helping one another in that way. But if it goes beyond a threshold, a certain threshold, and just becomes all about my sense gratification and it's all about my material happiness, we've gone too far. It doesn't work. Krishna is the ultimate enjoyer, not ourselves. And as you know, you'll be happy when he enjoys and you can satisfy him. And you'll be happy when you can satisfy your spouse, because satisfying a devotee is what it's all about. Das, das, anudas. So, just a little something thought you may like to hear, something we're going to be talking about, amongst many, many other things. Hare Krishna.